Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and you are learning your English speaking in a great way. Friends, today I am going to tell you how to improve and how to become a fluent speaker without any companion. So, at this time you will be thinking that is it possible? Yes, friends, it is possible. I'll tell you how to improve our communication without any companion and without any environment. You can create your environment to speak in English. How? Friends, when you go anywhere, for example, you are going to park, at that time, you can create sentences about that park. For example, today weather is very nice. This is the evening time. Today weather is very nice and there are so many trees in this park. There are several swings in this park and children are swinging and there are so many childrens. They are playing hither and thither. And in this way, you can describe that moment and that scene in your English language. Friends, I do the same. Whenever I go anywhere, at that time I speak to myself in my mind. I murmured the sentences in my mind that now I have to go there. So many things. Whenever I go to school, at that time, friends, when I am in metro at that time also I think about what's going on at that time. I try to explain in my words, in myself only, and it helps me a lot to improve my communication. Friends, in earlier video I have already told you that don't try to translate your sentences in Hindi to English. It's not a great way, it's not a uh, best way to improve your communication. Friends, for that you have to start to think in English. Okay, if if you are thinking anything at that time, try to think in English. This is also called to communicate with yourself, and you can improve your communication in this way, friends. And the third thing is you can also talk before camera. You can also talk before camera and you can record your sentences and your video. After that you can watch those videos and you can rectify your mistakes. You can identify your mistakes and you can rectify your mistakes, and then you can again record your sentences, and in this way you can also improve your communication. And the fourth way is, friends, try to make small sentences. For example, I am drinking milk. I am drinking water. Where are you going? How's your day going today? So in this way, you can improve your communication. And shadowing practice nowadays very famous. Shadowing practice is very famous. You can use this technique also to improve your communication. Select your favorite speaker, whether he is boy or whether it's boy or girl, and try to imitate and try to speak at the same time when he is speaking. At the same time, try to speak. It improves your communication, it improves your pronunciation also, and it improves your accent also. So friends, and the most important thing is it improves your and it boosts up your confidence level. So try to start these things also to improve your communication and to become a fluent speaker. As I have already told you friends that in my first video you can watch those videos how what was the level of mine. You can watch those videos. There I was at my starting initial level. At that time I was very afraid to speak before someone, but when I tried to speak in English, then I feel that I felt that now I am improving gradually. So at first you have to boost up your confidence and try to speak to yourself if you don't have any environment. And you can or friends, don't need to learn so many grammars to make sentences. You just try to speak, because speaking is most important thing. You can see so many people are qualified people, but they don't speak English. Why they don't speak English? Because speaking and teaching both are different things. If you have so many knowledge of rules of grammar, but if you are not try to speak in English, then you are not able to speak. You are not able to utter any sentences before someone also. Friends, listening is important thing to improve our communication. But friends, listening is important, but along with this, speaking is more important. If you are listening a lot of things and you don't speak anything, so how can you improve your communication? So it's very important to speak every day, at least 15 minutes, at least half an hour. And friends, if you speak at least 40 minutes and more than half an hour, then you can see the drastic change in your speaking. Actually, as I have said in my earlier videos that last 14 days I was very consistent learner on Ace Fluency app. At that time my confidence level was too much. My confidence level was very good at that time. Why? Because I was a consistent learner and I spoke at least half an hour, friends. Sometimes it went to more than half an hour. So main important thing is to speak. Don't think about the grammar, don't think about the rule. Only speak. Only speak effortlessly and without stopping, without translating. And the second thing is, friends, you can do one more thing also, that when you are at home or a workplace or anywhere, at that time you also speak in English. No matter anybody is giving answer in Hindi, it doesn't matter. Okay, only try to focus on your communication, how to speak, because speaking is most important thing to improve our communication. Okay, and I uploaded so many shorts for improving our vocabs, because vocabulary is also important. I'm not talking about advanced vocabulary, but we should have knowledge about at least basic vocabularies. If you have knowledge of basic vocabularies, then you will be able to speak, or then you will be able to create sentences. Don't think that what what will be happen if I make any mistake. Don't think about this, because everybody does mistakes, everybody does. mistakes. Even native speakers also does mistakes. So friends, if you like my video, subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much.